Just a lovely day out in the sun. Do, do, do. Hey, yo, what up, dog? What you just call me? I call you a dog. Well, I give you credit because you call me a dog. How you spell the word? D-A-W-G? Man, this guy's real stupid. Is you tripping or something? No. D-O-G! That's how you spell it. You ain't going to no school? Well, I actually dropped out when I was 15. Man, you real stupid. Get away! No! Why? Because I said so. Not because you said so. Get away. No! Plus, why you got that bag right there? I'm waiting for the garbage man. Because you are garbage? Ooh, okay. That's not funny. You know I'll beat you up right now? How much you want bid? Put 200. 200? Yeah, 200 on the line. Man, I ain't even got too much. How much you got? 50. Fine, 50. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Bah! Man, I told you this nigga weed, man. What you talking about? Well, I guess it's the end.